tutorial on how to export a document from the Pages application using a Mac computer into either a Word document or a PDF, which are the two most popular forms of export. At least in my experience, that's been the case. When you are ready to send your document to another location, which is why they call it export, you will need to go ahead and look next to the Pages location and select the File tab and come down to where it says Export. Now you have a choice whether or not you want to use the PDF or the Word. The difference is Word will allow your document to be edited by the receiver, and the PDF version obviously will be read-only. So for the sake of this lesson, let's go ahead and choose the PDF version. If you decide to change your mind, there are some different tabs located here next to the Export Your Document drop-down, and the options for good, better, or best choices for the most part are just negligible. You really can't determine the changes in the image quality, especially when you're just dealing with a text document such as this one. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the image quality set for good and click next. Now you want to choose exactly where you want your document to be located once it is exported. It's important to know that the locations for Mac are located here, and you want to figure that the desktop is probably the best place to access it quickly. So you go ahead and designate that area for the export, and oftentimes I will create a new folder so that it's got its own place on the desktop and it's easy to locate. So I'm going to go ahead and create that new folder. It's on my desktop. As I press the export button, the document is saved and exported to the desktop, and it will appear in the new stuff folder, which is located here. And just to double check that it's there, there's my cover letter. And that's all you really need to know when it comes to exporting documents using Pages application. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this information was helpful.